This video is sponsored by 1Password. Head to 1password.com to start securing your digital life today. Hey there, up ahead's a cute little countdown app, and I haven't done an app showcase for a while, but I'm excited to show you this one today. Let's say I've got to reach a deadline on a video for Sable, a video game that I've been wanting to play. So let's say I've got a Sable video deadline. I'm going to say that I need to get this video done by the 28th of October. Why not? I can also choose a little picture, so let's get a picture of a games controller and add that as the picture. I can also choose a colour, so let's go with yellow. That's one of my favourite colours. Let's go with yellow. If I want to choose a pattern, I've only unlocked one called Launch Party to celebrate the launch of Up Ahead. But I can put a little pattern on. Why not? Let's add that event, and it's now in my timeline. It's happening in 10 days. Today is the 18th of October, so let's add an event that's happening today, like go to the park with friends. We can add that to my timeline and choose a picture. So let's have a tree because it's the park, it's nature, so let's make it green as well. I haven't actually unlocked any other patterns, so we can leave that one blank. You can see that that's happening today. What if I've got something else that's happening today? What if after going to the park, I'm going to go out for dinner? I can put go out for dinner on my timeline, and I can choose some food. There we go, knife and fork. Let's make that blue. I've also unlocked a pattern for creating free events. Do I want to apply that to go out for dinner? Why not? We've got some playing cards in the background now. Do I want one more pattern today? Yes, I do. Maybe I am leaving for a holiday. So let's put leaving for a holiday with a plain symbol. And we'll make that red. I've also got a pattern for having free events on the same day, but I don't think holiday is very computer related, so I'm not going to apply that now. Now, I can create a multi-day event to show when I'm on my holiday. So I can put holiday in France. I can say that this is from the 19th of October. I have to click the multi-day symbol, 19th of October to the 26th of October. A nice 1 week holiday in France. Let's keep that red so it ties in with what we've been doing. There we go, there's our multi-day event. I can also create a recurring event. So let's say I've got a club that I go to every week. So I'm going to go to chess club. I can put chess club. I can choose the date. It will repeat every week, or maybe I only go to chess club every 2 weeks now. I can also find a chess symbol. Maybe. There's not a chess symbol. Maybe I can get a symbol for a board game. There's a dice. That's close enough. Let's add that in. I've also unlocked a pattern for using 5 different event categories, but it's not really music related, so let's leave that for now. I'm also very excited for Halloween, so let's put in Halloween on 31st of October. If we want, we can also add a time, so maybe I'm going to go trick-or-treating at 4 o'clock. I can look up a pumpkin, or some sort of Halloween symbol. There's a ghost. That'll do. And let's make that dark blue. That's kind of spooky. I'm also going to add a playing cards symbol to that, because why not? Let's add that pattern in the background. I've actually just unlocked a Halloween pattern, so I'm going to apply that instead. I'm also really excited for Christmas, so I can put Christmas is at 25th of December. So let's stick that on. And I'm going to find something nice and Christmassy, like a present. Let's also make that green. And maybe I'm hoping to get a new computer for Christmas, so let's add a computer symbol. I'm also very excited for a new video game that's releasing soon, called Persona 5. It's not new, but it is coming out on Game Pass, so let's put Persona 5, Game Pass, and find a games controller. I've actually forgotten the date it's releasing, so let's just say it's releasing on the 26th. Why not? I can also choose a pattern again, so maybe I want a computer's pattern. I'll make that red. Add that, and it's now in my timeline. I can even see the days between each event. Maybe I'm going to plan and play the guitar, so I can put play the guitar. I want to make sure I do this on the 29th of October, so I'm going to put that in and find a picture of the guitar. Let's add that in. Let's make it blue. Maybe my guitar is pale blue. And let's make that a music symbol. I've also unlocked a pattern for school. Use 5 different patterns. Let's not apply that to that event just now. But maybe I've got, I don't know, some school homework I need to do. So I can put maths homework. Let's say it's due the 28th. I can find a maths symbol. Except there isn't one there, so maybe I need a plus. Minus. You won't find a symbol for everything, but hopefully there'll be some more added in a future update, which will be very nice. I can always scroll through and try and locate one. So maybe I'll just put a workbook in. I can also use the school pattern that I just unlocked. There we go. I've got my maths homework on my timeline. That's exciting. What else could I be doing? I'm just trying to think. Oh, you know, maybe I want to go shopping with my brother. So I'll put shopping with my brother. And let's schedule that for January. I'll get a shopping bag. There we go. And I'll make that purple. I'm going to put a circles pattern. That's pretty nice. That's not actually working. Can we try school? No. It wasn't working. There we go. Shopping with my brother. I've also got to use 10 different event categories for movies, but let's not apply that now. I'm also very excited for the new year. So let me put new year, and that will be occurring on the 1st of January. Let's type in a picture for, like, a firework, except we don't have one of those, so is there a celebration? That'll do. Let's make that red. I've also got a pattern called New Year's Eve, so let's apply that. Maybe I'm also excited for Easter. I've forgotten when Easter is this year, but I know it will be sometime around April. So let's go with the 7th or the 8th. Let's just go with that. I've forgotten. I can't remember when Easter is. And then we'll try and get in a picture for Easter or a bunny. Yes, we can get a bunny. Let's make it purple, and we will put... I know that's called launch party, but it looks celebratory, so we'll add it. Maybe I'm also going to go to the movies. So I'm going to put go to the movies. Maybe I'll schedule that in for February the 9th. And I will add a movie. There's a few we can choose for this, but let's have that one there. I'm also going to add the pattern movies that I just unlocked. Where did it go? I'm sure I unlocked it. Oh, it's down here. There we go. Hiding from me. Added. GTHQ also has its birthday coming up soon in July. So let's add birthday. Swipe all the way through to July. It's on the 22nd. So let's add that. Let's use that party prop again. And let's make it dark blue. I've also unlocked a pattern called birthday. So let's apply that. So we can also look at all the patterns I've got. If I head into my settings, then head to pattern, I've unlocked 10 patterns. And I can see why I unlocked them all. Limited time events, notable events, and achievements. I can also change the theme of the app. And the app icon. There's a whole range of app icons I can choose from. Let's close that. Here are some widgets. I'm going to choose up ahead. So if I scroll down here, there's up ahead. I can put countdowns. So let's put what I've got going on today. Don't worry, I can change this. If I want to change what's on here, I can hit edit widget. I can filter by a category. So let's say we want films. I can see that I've got the movies in 114 days. There's also a range of lock screen widgets available in iOS 16 to choose from, which are all pretty cool. And that's up ahead. If you enjoyed that, please subscribe and go download up ahead on your iPhone right now.